Hello everyone, my name is Jairo Antonio Monreal Sate and I'm a student of the English B1 course at the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia UNAD. Today I would like to welcome you to my video presentation where I am going to showcase my town, Palmira, also known as La Villa de las Palmas in the beautiful department of Valle del Cauca. From my Colombia travel bucket list blog, I haven't chosen the section where to go, place to visit. I chose this section because Palmira has many fascinating spots that every traveler should know about, and I really enjoy talking about my city. I think describing its main place is the best way to invite people to come and discover it. The first place you must visit is Hacienda Paraíso. You can walk around the colonial house and find out more about Jorge Isaacs, the famous Colombian writer who set his romantic novel Maria in the place. You should also drop by the gardens because they are surrounded by mountains and offer a peaceful atmosphere. Another iconic place is the Museo de la Caña de Azúcar, located at Hacienda Pien de Mich. Tourists must check out the traditional sugar mill, called trapiches, and the outlet to try the fresh Surgan's Wiz. If you are interested in history, you can take a guided tour and learn how the industry has shaped the culture of the region. Finally, you cannot leave Palmira without visiting the Bosque Municipal. Their families and friends can hang out, ride a bicycle, or simply take a walk under the trees. Visitors should put on comfortable shoes and bring water because the weather in Palmira is usually warm and sunny. In conclusion, Palmira is a destination that combines history, literature, nature, and the warmth of its people. Whether you are a culture lover and nature enthusiast, or simply a traveler looking for the newest experience, Palmyra has something special to offer. I really recommend visit my town and let us in your life.